Hello, my favorite artists. We're making robots this week. We're going to use the elements of art to put together our robots. The elements of art are the basic building blocks of all art forms. It's line, shape, form, which is 3D shapes, color, texture, the way something feels or the way something looks like it might feel, value, the range of light to dark in a work of art, and space, showing which things are close, medium, and far away. So let's get started. We are going to use line and shape mostly to make our robots. Here's an idea sheet I made, and you can make one too. I have 3 different ideas for the shape of the head, and I use line to make those shapes. I'm going to pick shape number 2. I want to take my watercolor marker and do a straight line, kind of close to the top, but not touching the top. Then I want to do a curved line. I want to add some details to make it look like a robot's head. I definitely want a neck, and then I want to think about the robot's body. The robot's body could be kind of any shape you want. I was thinking maybe this trapezoid would be good. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start to draw the body. When I draw the body, I want to think about my lines, and then I'm going to draw the arms, and lines to add detail. To show, if you do a U, another U inside, sort of like the pinchers that you might see on a robot. Maybe I'll do a little bit of a waist, and then I want to make sure I'm doing the legs. My robot is dancing, and I can add so many more details to my robot. I just need to think about the different types of details that a robot might have. Maybe he has a pocket. And I could put screws and bolts and seams for the metal. You will find that if you use colored markers on your robot to add some more detail, it will make the robot kind of stand out a little bit. If you take a paintbrush dipped in a little bit of water and you kind of blur the watercolor lines, it starts to look like it has value, which is a range of light to dark in a work of art. So I'm just blurring the lines. If you don't have a paintbrush, if you don't have markers, it's fine. You could do this whole project with just pencil and paper. If you don't have good fancy paper, that's okay. I'm just using copy paper, but you could use from like a copy machine. You could really use any kind of paper. You could use cardboard. You could use scraps of paper that you find in the recycle bin. You could really find anything and draw on it. It could be in a notebook. what you're going to want to do is blur the edges just a little, and then when it dries, you're going to add some more colorful details. And it kind of makes the robot look like it's glowing and shiny. So make sure you're able to remember your shape, your line, your value, your texture, which in this case is shiny metal, smooth, and have fun with it. Draw a lot. Take pictures of them and post them here. Thank you.